Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to build an 8-inch block corner. So I got the layout all done and everything, and this is my last corner. I ran out of mud yesterday, so I got this first course in, rebar in both of these cores. Sorry I didn't show you how to do the layout, but I'll show you how to lay them at least. So it'll be easier to teach since it's already done with the first course. I can kick these, whatever, because I'm in a ditch. So, big slabs on your trowel. I know I gotta come down a 1/4 inch because I was just shooting it with the laser. I'll show you how to do that on my third course. But you just take your trowel and smooth it on there. I mean, it took a lot of practice to be able to do it like that, but cross web on this corner, like that. Okay. I got 2 mud pans, one on each side. That way I'd never have to jump back and forth for mud. I like to mud the whole thing and do it all at once. You could just do that side and then the other side, but I like to do it like this. Okay, so every corner you have, the 8s, you don't have special corner block. These are the corner block. So all I do, pick it up, go over your rebar, sight down your corner. Try and match up the bottom the best you can. Put your head joints on. I like to reuse the mud sometimes, you know, put that back on the head joint. I always head these ones before I put them on the wall. In, out, you gotta get it to bite the inside of these webs, and then go on the outside and it'll stick no problem. Same thing, you just sight down, and when you look down these cores, there's a little opening like this. You gotta put the center on that opening. That's called bond. Again, you can clean your mud up, reuse it. This is this little trick I do. Just slam it on here. It sticks. Okay. Always cleaning that mud up, you know. Okay. Tell you what, working in the ditch sucks. Makes it way harder. Okay. So, again, clean up all that mud. Nice and clean. Alright, step 1, I like to follow the block. So, like, what I mean by that is whatever way this is running, that's the way I level first. So this got to come way down. You're not supposed to be on your level. I got a fancy level. It's tough. It's a Stabila, and it's made to be beat on. So I do it, even though you're not supposed to. Okay. I cannot get that to come down for some reason. It's alright. I will get it the next course. And the same thing over here. That one's good. So actually, I gotta pick this side up, which is not a big deal. I always plumb the outside. I always go for the outsides with these. Use a hammer, and you always beat on the center of the web here. Don't beat on the other parts. And then whatever side of your bubble, or yeah, whatever side the bubble's hitting on your level, that's what you want to hit. So if it's touching this side of your level, you tap on this side of the block. If it's touching this side of your line, like the bubble, you tap on that side. So it's touching this side of my level, so I tap this side of the block. Good. Let's do the same thing. Ooh. Always going right on the middle of these blocks. Okay. Now, so I don't dirty up my level, same thing, cleaning up all the mud on the outside here. Now we're gonna plumb down, which means you're gonna go all the way to the bottom. I do this side of my 8 first. Side. Good. Then I go all the way to the other end and do this one. Okay. And go to the other end and do this one. Going down this part of the block every time. Okay. Then the straight edge. So again, I always like to do this the side with the long one first. So all this is if there's a space somewhere, you got to hit that where there's no space. So there's space here, boom, boom, space there. Okay. The goal is to get it to run smooth along your block. So then this side, I got a space here, so I tap it into that corner and then tap that one back. And then again, smooth, smooth, smooth. And then you know if you're square, if your level chases each side of this perfectly, which it does, so we're square thanks to the handy laser down there. Okay, next course.